Hello members, I am Vedant. Sorry for this late post, but I thought it very important to speak to you before tomorrow's session. I have planned to make 3 videos. This is the first video. I will make 2 more videos. This first video is about an introduction to the concept of diabetes mellitus and the various aspects and the functions of pancreas and the importance of glucose level in blood. Next video will be more about what is diabetes mellitus, what causes diabetes mellitus, what are the symptoms, and third would be more about the yoga therapy and how to deal with how yoga therapy can deal with diabetes mellitus type 2. So just for your information, diabetes mellitus is a serious concern. It is considered to be an epidemic, especially in India as well. Throughout the world, about 4 million people die due to diabetes complexities annually. And as per World Health Organization, by the year 2030, diabetes mellitus is going to be the 7th leading cause of death to people. Now, yes, it is that serious. Now, who are at risk for diabetes, and who should attend the session tomorrow? First of all, those who have already been diagnosed with diabetes mellitus type 2 and those who are obese, they are also at high risk to get or acquire type 2 diabetes mellitus. Those who have a genetic connection, if you have parents who have diabetes mellitus, then you are at high risk to get that. And those who are going through a sedentary lifestyle, irregular fooding habits, lack of exercise, and high stress level. And I think this is so much common in all of our lives. So I would suggest as many people can participate tomorrow. This one session may not be much helpful, but at least you will have something to refer to, and you can at least start working on your health from tomorrow itself. Okay, now diabetes mellitus, we all know when the blood glucose level in the glucose level goes high. Now first let me tell you that glucose is very important for our body. Glucose is when the food that we eat are broken down into simpler elements, which is easy for the body to take it. Now glucose is one of them. Glucose is utilized by the cells of the body to perform its own functions. So glucose is very important for the body. Now most of you must have heard the name of pancreas. Now, pancreas is a pear-shaped spongy organ behind the stomach. It produces insulin and glucagon mainly, and it helps to control the blood glucose level in the body. It also produces somatostatin and pancreatic polypeptide. But apart from that, the major, I just make it very simple for you. Now, how does it maintain the blood glucose level in the body? Suppose during exercise or any workout or in any instance when the blood glucose level falls, it stimulates the secretion of glucagon. The glucagon on secretion, it helps to convert the glycogen. In the liver, the glucose is stored in the form of glycogen. Glucagon helps to convert that glycogen to glucose and hence increases the availability of glucose in the blood, which is taken up by different cells and for the energy to the body. Now once the glucose level goes high, it stimulates the secretion of insulin. What is the function of insulin? The function of insulin is to facilitate the movement of this glucose within the cells. So there are receptors हैं, वहाँ पे insulin जाएंगे, it will settle and allow the glucose to get inside the cell. Apart from that, it also helps to store the glucose in the form of energy in different adipose tissues in the form of fat, and also facilitates the liver to store the glucose in the form of glycogen. So it is performing various functions. Also it inhibits जो different processes हैं, जो different enzymes हैं, जो ग्लूकोज को सिक्रेट करते हैं बॉडी में, जो हेल्प करते हैं टू सिक्रेट ग्लूकोज, उसको भी रोकते हैं, टू इनहिबिट करते हैं. Okay, so this is the function of the glucose, and in this way it controls the availability of the glucose in the blood. Okay, So this is all about it. Next session will be on the what causes diabetes mellitus, what are the symptoms, and a little bit more about the diabetes mellitus. Thank you so much.